Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hejin Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. Okay, I'm very happy that this support has held pretty well, the long-term support. Could it still break down? Yes, there's that scenario. Absolutely. Back a few days ago, we had some very small needle-like piercings of the support line, and price came right back up. Then we had yesterday a full few bars of price that pierced below the support line. And then there was this one big long green bar that brought it right back up. Whether I think there is also a possibility that this could come back down one more time. Do it several times. And I've seen that as it is doing already. One. So let's draw this out. I got one piercing, two, get another one, and then potentially another one. It's like a needle and a thread. It's sewing up the tear made onto the long-term support. Now, the MACD back in March, early March, touched the bottom, then touched the top, coinciding with this part of the price. Then it declined. However, price made a much lower low, but the MACD did not make a lower low. It made a higher low. This low is higher than this low. And it touched pretty much the bottom yellow line. And now it's going to probably rise one more time toward the top line of the resistance line of the symmetrical triangle for the MACD. Or it may go just sideways a little bit to allow this dips and rises to continue. But regardless, time is running out for the sellers because the apex is fast approaching. And usually the apex for the price falls at around the 18th of April. And could this be the last dip? I don't know. We'll see. But I do know this. Usually, if this pattern is correct, of 1, 2, 3 consecutive replicates of a descending wedge within a larger symmetrical triangle is correct, then the time taken to approach the apex is getting less and less and less. So one way or another, we will likely have a resolution. Is it going to be up or down? I'm leaning towards the bullish, breaking upwards. And in order for that to happen, yes, this support must hold against decisive breaching. Same thing with the bottom yellow support. But I would pose the same question for you to ask yourself and try and answer. Is now the time to be selling or the time to be taking buying actions? What do you think? And we are back to the W bottom count. Surprisingly, The first zone of the longer term support has held so far. Sellers are running out of steam, but also out of time. They need to do something seriously big by the time this apex is reached. Not only are they running out of time, but since the MACD has been obeying the boundaries of the contracting line, they have very little mobility upward or downward left because of the contracting lines are giving less and less mobility. What does that mean? That means the price will go up and down less and less and less. They don't have probably the mojo left to bring this completely down so that the price just collapses from here. I don't think so. That's what I mean by the sellers are running out of steam, the ability to drive it further down. They gave them mighty attempt here, second attempt here, third attempt here, and they're trying again right now desperately to break this support. So still, the primary direction is on the white W count with a higher low, while as an alternate, we still maintain the blue W count with a lower low that hits the second level of longer angled trend line. I hope this is helpful and much more to come. And I think some exciting days are ahead of us for the early part of April. Have a great day.